noise with that? Just changed this lighting going again. Now it's red on my side and white on the other. That is not an airplane, guys. I don't think so. There's no noise. There's stuff going on downtown. Look at this shit. Okay, check it out. It's one of those orange drones. Or orange boards, I'm sorry. Can't believe I said drone. Well, here they're here. We're here. Evie, come, look. I'm gonna hit him with the light. Now I'm strobing him. Oh, look at that. He went from that to flashing. Yeah, it's here. It's in Missouri. Evie, come. We got all kinds of air traffic, and I mean all kinds, like weird planes and stuff here. Like that was that one that was flying back this way to the west. And this is east, northeast that way. That way's due east, and there's Mars and stuff here. That's downtown St. Louis. That way. There's one of those freaky looking planes again. I say I'm using that loosely, that term. There's two things. There's that one that left over there. And there's another one back there. He's behind, kind of behind trees. We're gonna go up a little farther. Yeah, what's this? One of those boards. This is serious. My lord, wow. It's bright orange if you guys can't tell. I gave him the strobe. He's moving. This thing coming toward us. Yeah, Evie, come. He's in the tree, man. They're serious. The Sirius star is this one on the bottom. And then that's that plane or whatever the hell it could be. Right there. We have a lot of these things. Where is it? Well, something's breaking out, sounding like a jet. Where's the jet? Where did the jet come from? I didn't see a jet. What we got here though? It's an odd looking plane. It's just going behind trees right now, sorry. What the hell is that? Okay, well this thing's going by, but there's a jet up here. There he is. He just went zooming by. This thing is odd. Don't know. No, there's more jet noises. There's another freaking plane up here. What the heck?